Did you know that there are more than 20 million millionaires in the United States? Because many of them capture the attention of the press or become pop culture sensations, it might seem like becoming a millionaire is impossible for everyday people. But with the right strategies and mindset, anyone can do it. The truth is that you don't need to develop the next tech unicorn or be a celebrity to become a millionaire. In reality, most millionaires are regular people, not all of whom bring home 6- and 7-figure salaries. Becoming a millionaire requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn and grow. In this video, we'll break down the steps to turn your financial goals into a reality. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video if it's helpful. Step 1. Set a goal. Setting a goal is a crucial step toward becoming a millionaire. It helps you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and provides you with a target to work towards. To set an effective goal, it's important to be specific, make it measurable, set a deadline, write it down, and celebrate small wins along the way. This will not only give you a clear roadmap for your journey to financial success, but also keep you motivated and focused on the present. Writing down your goal makes it real and helps you come back to it when you need a reminder or extra motivation. Breaking down your goal into smaller, more achievable milestones can also help you celebrate your progress and stay motivated toward achieving your goal. Step 2. Create a budget. One of the keys to financial success is creating a budget and sticking to it. Figure out your monthly expenses and find ways to reduce them. Look for areas where you can cut back, such as eating out less or lowering your utility bills. This extra money can then be invested or saved. A budget is not just about cutting expenses, it's also about understanding where your money is going. This can help you make informed decisions about your spending and ensure that you are making the most of your hard-earned money. Step 3. Invest your money. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. There are many different investment options available, such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Do your research, educate yourself, and consult a financial advisor if necessary. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is a powerful tool, and the longer you invest, the more it works in your favor. Step 4. Build passive income streams. Another way to build wealth is by creating passive income streams. This can include things like rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or a small business that runs itself. The idea is to make money while you sleep so that you can keep growing your wealth over time. Building multiple sources of income can help reduce your dependence on your main source of income and provide a cushion in case of job loss or other financial setbacks. Step 5. Minimize debt. Debt can be a big burden on your finances, so it's important to minimize it as much as possible. Pay off high-interest debt such as credit cards as quickly as you can. This will free up money for investment and savings. It's also important to avoid taking on new debt unless it is for a valuable investment or business opportunity. Keeping debt under control will help ensure that your financial progress isn't slowed down by interest payments. Step 6. Keep learning and growing. The journey to becoming a millionaire doesn't stop once you reach your goal. To maintain your financial success, it's important to keep learning and growing. Stay informed about the latest financial trends, read books, and attend seminars to keep your knowledge up to date. This will help you make informed decisions about your investments and ensure that you are making the most of your wealth. Becoming a millionaire from zero is possible with hard work, dedication, and the right strategies. By setting a goal, creating a budget, investing your money, building passive income streams, minimizing debt, and continuing to learn and grow, you'll be on your way to financial freedom. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep working hard and stay motivated. There's nothing you can't achieve in your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.